Hi, this is Lilly from Niu Woman and welcome to my page. Welcome. Oh my God. It's such a gorgeous day out there and we're just enjoying this moment together and Puppy's getting a bit bored. Hey Puppy, you can't do that. We've just come on the... Yes, there you go. Look at everyone that'll be looking at you right now. Say hi. Hello. Yes, so this is another moment that we'd just like to come online and just share our little moments together and how life can be so wonderful. It depends on how we want it to be. We decide, we make that choice of whether we're going to have a great day or a bad day. So it is a choice. It is a choice. We wake up in the morning and we say, am I going to have a good day? And if you say that and you do it, you will have a great day. But if you wake up and say, oh, I'm going to have a shitty day today. I'm going to have a terrible day. You've already predicted it. So the words that we say are so important. So wake up and just say good morning to everyone, whoever you see around. Say good morning. Hey, it's a great morning. And you'll be surprised by you just saying good morning to everyone, how you made their day and you made your own day, just feeling good about it. You know, you just made that person smile because who knows, maybe no one's even talked to them for how many days. Well, that person could be walking around or could be going home on their own and no one would ever talk to them. But it just took you that moment to just say, hi, how are you? Or just say, hi, how's it going? I say, good morning, top of the morning, mate. I don't know if people say top of the morning, mate, but anyway, just any kind of greeting to anyone wherever you see them, if you're walking past or whoever you live with, get up in the morning and just say, hey, good morning, good morning. It's so good to just say that beautiful word, good morning. And I'll tell you what, you're going to have a good morning. So, Puppy, are we going to have a good morning? Yes, we are. That's awesome. Okay, say bye, Puppy. Bye, because we're going to have a great morning. We're going to have a great day today. And I hope you are too. This is Lilly from Niu Woman. Hey, and check out our videos. Subscribe to the videos that we have upcoming again. There will be more. And just subscribe. Push the button on the right hand side and subscribe to our videos. There are videos on the also that would like for you to check out the links to our other videos that we're on online with. So hey, you know what, it's something different, just try it, you never know. So cheers, have a great day. This is Lilly from Niu Woman and my puppy. We're saying bye bye.